Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know if I should be happy or sad right now because SuperClean found my channel and they saw the Tiburon restoration project and asked me if I wanted to reuse their product on the Tiburon and review it. I guess having a dirty car pays off sometimes. I've used their product in the past even before they reached out to me, so I know for a fact that this product is great. When they reached out to me, I was very excited. This is all thanks to your support, so thank you very much. SuperClean is an American brand that's been around for 44 years and they specialize in degreasers. They have many different formulas and sizes and you can find them at pretty much all the big name stores, including auto parts stores. I haven't washed this car at all since I bought it 2 months ago, so this is going to be a perfect opportunity to put SuperClean to the test. My engine bay isn't especially muddy, but it does have the typical engine oil stains, dust, and dirt everywhere. So I'm mainly gonna use the SuperClean original formula, and I'm also curious about the foam. I haven't used this one before, so I'm excited to try this one. And then they also have a wheel cleaner. This works with the tires and the wheels. I'm very excited to try this out, so let's get started. I started with the wheels thinking that it would be easy, only to find out that the black areas on the wheel didn't look or feel like brake dust. To me, it looked like very old caked on plasti dip, which I found very hard to remove. And sure enough, even after a couple passes with the SuperClean, it did not want to come off. It did, however, clean the tires quite well. You can literally see the foam removing the brown brake dust, which I found super satisfying. I'm planning to completely restore the wheels, so even though I couldn't get the old plasti dip off, this is a good first step. This time I'm gonna try the foam one. So this is the old one, it broke off right here. And this is the new one, or the one from the junkyard. I cleaned it with the SuperClean. Actually came out quite nice. Very impressed. Cleans very well, very good. So I'm gonna put this in. It's funny how you start with a small project like detailing the engine and then it turns into something bigger. And also the belt. The previous owner told me that it's a brand new belt. Well, look at that. That is not a new belt at all. So I got a new belt. This one is from Continental. That's just the only one they had at AutoZone near me, so I got this. And along with the new tensioner, should be good. So I put the belt back on. And by the way, if you want me to make a video on how to replace the serpentine belt, let me know. I think there's a lot of good videos already out there, but I can make one and I can try to make it really good. Anyways, I put the belt back on, I put the power steering pump back on, but the bad thing is I managed to break this wire here. It goes from the main harness to the power steering pump. The wire has melted and it was weak anyway, and while I was doing it, it just kind of broke. So I'll just do this real quick. It's probably not the best way, but it's funny how I kind of made fun of the previous owner for doing shady stuff, and I'm like slowly doing shady stuff myself. Looks like there's another bad part right there, so I'm just gonna tape it up. Okay. And with that, my once neglected engine bay is clean. Let's be honest, this wasn't a showroom quality detail, nor did it cost as much as one. But for an at-home detail with not much tools, I think it still came out fantastic. The car's paint job is in really bad condition, so it may look dirtier than it actually is. If you look closely and touch the surfaces, it is quite literally super clean. SuperClean has the strength of an industrial degreaser, yet it's biodegradable and phosphate-free. It's easy to find at the big stores and comes in many different shapes and sizes, so if you like this video, go give it a try, you won't be disappointed. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.